Follow me.
Filipino?
Filipino. We're going to Manila.
Oo.
Visit my president.
Santa Cruz, Laguna.
Uy! You going, ha?
No.
It's a lot of manzanitas.
I have
Naranja.
I have wife
Oh, really?
and baby.
Hey!
Hello.
Wow, in Laguna, ha?
Oo.
So enjoy your stay in the Philippines.
Wife, so baby.
Uh-huh. Oh. What's this? Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Too many.
39,000이야. 오, 이건 아니네요. 하나네요. The other side.
Yeah, the other side. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Too much security here, huh, senor?
Oo.
Too much security.
It's good.
It's good for you?
Oo. It's like Philippines.
Yeah.
They
Philippines.
have so many security guards
Paperwork, everything.
everywhere. You're going to visit?
Wow, Laguna.
Are you going to go visit?
Manila. We will stay in Manila.
Where you stay here in
Hey,
California?
I'm San Diego.
San Diego.
I'm from San Diego, California.
Wow.
What about you, my friend?
Texas.
Texas.
Victoria.
Oh, yeah, Victoria. That's far from Houston? Houston? or-
About 3 hours.
Okay, I'll drive.
This way.
Okay.
Yeah, I go 2019 to Manila.
To Manila. So this will be your second time?
No, 3 times.
Three
already.
times now,
Or
yeah.
4, I think.
Okay.